Guys, welcome back to my channel. It is 8 o'clock. It is Wednesday, October 3rd. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you. I promise you. This is, my clothes from work. I wore my pink. It's October 3rd. I wore my pink and my face is pink enough for everything, so it's fine. All right, so get home. My package arrived. I ate popcorn, so it may be all over me. And it leaked all over the place. So you can probably see in the bag itself, the box has pretty much dried now. You can see where it was like damp. And it's a fake product. So yeah, don't order from this person. It was just some guy on the internet, because like I went and smelled it and it smelled like water. Like it was purely water. And there's, because like a processing solution doesn't have a strong scent by any means, like, but you know what water smells like? Nothing. And a processing solution will have a scent. Called Amazon and they're like, oh yeah, no problem, here you go, here's a refund. Because I was like, I have two problems. I was like, one, it spilled everywhere, and two, I didn't say like everywhere. I retracted that. I was like, well, it leaked. And then this is the other box, I was just opening it, that arrived as well from Amazon. Like that, these are not Amazon's fault. I mean, the leaky bottle might be, but since it's fake, it was never sealed. Like you can tell it wouldn't have leaked if it was sealed. So I unscrewed the cap, sure enough, it was not sealed. It's like so clear that it looks like water. I guess they said they don't want it back, so let's take a look at it. Like I haven't even opened this. Like it smells like water. Like usually a processing, I'm gonna have to like wash my counter because I don't actually know what's in here. So it's a, let's see, we'll dump it down the sink here, just a little bit. I'm not even showing you. Yeah. I can't tell if that was in frame or not, so I'm sorry if it wasn't. Like, there's nothing in here. Like, nothing. So, that does actually need to go down the drain. So, I'm striking out. I guess that's what happens when you try to buy professional products on Amazon. Because this is what it was supposed to go with, which is the hair dye. But I was gonna do, but obviously I dyed my hair. And this isn't sealed either. See, that has a scent though, like a processing solution. And this is the toner that I was gonna use, but you need specific things. So I feel like this stuff would be sealed if it was legit. So unlike my nail stuff that I can get, this stuff, don't buy it on Amazon. Apparently my husband needs me for no reason. He just wants to be annoying. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Although I think I've already started vlogging today. Oh yeah, because of the Amazon stuff. So I'm going into my office because I'm just not feeling my nails. Does anyone else get that way? When, like, I don't, sorry, slipping on some stuff. Okay, get out of the way. Okay, like, not that there's anything like wrong with my nails. I don't know if they just get like too dull, because I don't feel like turning my big lights on. Or what. But I just feel like they just are not doing it for me. Can anyone relate? Does anyone, like, if you don't do your own nails, like when you go get them done and you like think you want it a certain way and you get them done and you're like, that's not really what I wanted. Not that I feel that's like, it didn't go the way I wanted it to, but I don't know. Maybe they're just not pointed enough. Like I thought I wanted to keep them, what are these? Kind of coffin-y. I don't know. Because I could point them. I think I'm just gonna taper them in more. Like these ones already look better to me, so maybe they're just growing out a little bit and I'm just not feeling the growth. It's been almost a week. I kicked ass at the gym today, not gonna lie. I burned like 550 at the gym and then we went on a walk, so I burned about 100. So I'm at like 660 for the day. It's almost that time of the month, so I'm not gonna be able to weigh in for like a week or two. I feel like when it's around, it takes like 2 weeks for it to like go away. Not like actually go away, like not the thing, but like my body to adjust it being gone. I don't know. It might be getting better, but I'm taking off like half the polish. I'll just touch it up or something. Yeah, I think it's helping. I think. We'll see. Just saying, this probably isn't a good sign. Just saying. Oy vey. Yeah, so I'm gonna go with that's really not a good sign. It's like waxy feeling. It's definitely the roller. And it's obviously a spot on the roller because every time, I was gonna say, well, maybe it's done. No. What the heck? I haven't used this thing in a hot minute because I haven't really been making stickers. Hey guys, it is Thursday the 4th and I was just foiling stuff and I'm pissed. So I'm pretty sure the roller is melting. I haven't used this thing over setting 3 because to foil all you need to do is have it on 3 and I'm freaking pissed. Before I continued to go on to why I was just so mad. So I don't even know when I got this thing. I haven't used it that much because I haven't been making stickers. I mean, let's be real, I haven't. So I'm pretty irritated. It's absolutely the roller that's melting. I did remember last time that I ran it through and it got really caught, so I had to reverse it and pull it out. So I don't know if that's what caused it, is that it got jammed. But come on, I mean, it was like a second that it jammed and I noticed and I hit reverse and pulled it out. I just am so mad. I may not seem that mad, but the thing is, I wanted to do new releases this week and I wanted them to be foiled because I think people don't really buy non-foiled kits anymore, especially from my shop. And it's like, I'm already losing interest in creating stuff for the store because there's so many out there. It's like one thing after another and it's like everyone releases everything and it's like I can't keep up with that. I have a real life besides a sticker store. That came out wrong. You know what I mean. Like I have a job outside the shop, and I know most people who run, there's a Louis here. Most people who run sticker shops don't have a work-life balance. They work crazy hours, they work forever, and I did that for a long time. I went to work, came home, could work anywhere from 6+ hours a day, and that was when I was putting out kits like every 2 weeks. So I don't know, I gotta think on this, because even if I were to foil, like I could probably get through new releases, like foiling them and then go buy a new MINC, but I'm like, I guarantee a new MINC's like what, $250? I won't make that on my new releases. So it's like, do I do that and then it's like I make nothing? But my time is way more precious lately for me, because I'm like, I don't want to say whatever to the sticker store, because I still enjoy it. And I worked out today, so that's why. I mean, obviously, just if I look even more crappy than usual, it worked out. I don't know. I don't have any answers right now.